So me and Shane, who's building this Sionnach Irish Learning app, we made a video on YouTube, and we're talking about, our experiences as learners, what exists out there, what maybe issues there is with it, and what we want to see in the future, and how maybe we can get there, with our efforts. Obviously, we're just programmers, so we've done what we could with what we have, the content even we created, but even then, it's not perfect. It's not from people who actually live and know the language. So that's really where we want to get to, and we think we've come up with some type of way to do that. So think of like a marketplace, or we just facilitate, we build the tools that allow these people to connect, learners on one side and the people who have the knowledge and the richness and diversity of the language on the other. So yeah, we came up with something. So think of like a course marketplace where anyone, say you're I don't know, an Irish teacher, or you're just, some young girl or old man or whatever in Inisheed or Achill Island, whatever the case may be, and you can go and create a course, and you can get remunerated for that course. So people can choose to, say, buy access to the course. We're not sure exactly how that's going to work, but then we take like a small cut out of that and they get the majority. So actually, not going to shareholders, not going to, just being wasted, not actually going back into the language, and not in a way that's not representing. You're going to have all the variety of all the dialects, of all the richness, these personal experiences, personal stories, whatever the course might be. I can think of someone, they're really into sailing or something on some island, and they have a course that's to do with the vocabulary and stuff that you would use in that context, or sports, or music, or Sionnach, or anything, even like beginner course, monster beginner course. I think this is something really interesting, and it feels like we can do it ourselves. Like that would be something made by us, for Irish, for everyone's kind of contributing in a way towards this without outside help, which is really good, I think. And I think it could be, but I guess it takes all of us to kind of see the vision, see what it could be, and go towards that. So that's what me and Shane have done. We've used what we have, programming experience to get what we have at the minute. But we want to go more. We want to see Irish keep growing, in the mouths of everyone here and everyone who's connected with it in some way. So yeah, check it out if you could.